Well, good morning, folks. Grab your cup of coffee. Thank God for my phone, because the computer has no sound. My wife used the computer last. She's the computer genius. So I'll let her figure it out, because I have the sound on the videos, I have the sound up on the speakers, and still no sound. I've even traced down the cords, and they're all plugged in. So maybe we need new speakers. I don't know. But we'll find out what the heck's going on. But I can watch videos on my phone. Like, share, and subscribe if you've had this kind of problem. And let me know in the comment section how you figured it out. And if you like these videos, like, share, and subscribe. Share them like a kindergarten class shares a common cold. And I'll see what's going on. Bye-bye.